Over the years, smoke detectors have saved countless lives, and no home is safe or complete without them. Hi, I'm Jess Oppenheimer with Homeclick.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install a smoke detector. To do this job, you just need a drill, a 3/16 drill bit, and a standard flathead screwdriver. All the mounting hardware will be included with your smoke alarm. We also recommend wearing eye protection when using a power drill or working above your head. It's always best to be safe, especially when it comes to your eyesight. So the first step is to choose your location for your smoke detector. Firefighters recommend that you mount smoke detectors high on the wall or on the ceiling away from windows or exterior doors. When you've decided where you want to put your alarm, you can install the mounting bracket. Put it up in the position you want it. Take a pencil and mark it in the screw holes. Using your 3/16 drill bit, drill shallow holes in the middle of your marks. That's where the screws that hold up the mounting bracket will go. Drilling a vertical hole is a little awkward, so take your time. Attach the mounting brackets to the surface with the screws. The holes you drilled are slightly smaller than the screws, which will ensure a smooth but snug fit. Finally, you'll want to snap the smoke detector into place. The last step is to test the battery. Looks like we're all set. Thanks for watching. For more information and for all the best brands for your home, visit us on the web at homeclick.com.